Sky Cable TV Kenya, Beyond the Real.
Tuonaga andu aria etei mari na gikeno makiria andu aria aganu no kugacira maragacira nie ngwenda muthikiriria wakwa tuko turi group-ini ya andu aya akeri aya maragia ndeto cia mwathani mahoreire aya matangiambiriria kwaria ndeto nyingi matambite gwiciria wega haha turi turaria turi ithuiki acha tu presence ya Ngai iri haha Ngai iri haha hamwe na ithui roho wa Ngai iri haha hamwe na ithui ni tugika let us guard our tongue rekei tukiaria maundu matukwaria twitigire Ngai tondu mandiko marauga aria metigirite Ngai andu aya matatigirite Ngai ni maregenyukaga ni mariaga makahuna makaria mundu uria kwenda ni manyua kire makunywa makanana makariwa makwenda Ngai ni athuire mundu mwitei
Demuririkane na mugibo shethi na Mordekai Demuririkane ne Ngai moigwara Demuririkane garutoro diva Tumiane maetwa yanige Shago tukataira
mandiko marauga ithuothe ni tuitiririo maguta angikorwo ni twitikitie Kristo na tukaumbra Kristo ni mwathani na tugakorwo turi horo-ini uyu wa Ngai ithuothe turiitiririe maguta where you has an anointing na anointing yo uhetwo ri it is not a priestly anointing, it is not a kingly anointing or a theodary anointing, it is an anointing of itself where tondu gutire mundu ungihota kuruta wira wa Ngai gutire mundu ungihota kuwerewa kigo kia Ngai gutire mundu ungihota gwathikira maundu ma Ngai gutire mundu ungihota gwathikira kanitha kana mwiri wa Kristo atari no hakoyo uguo ni wega tulirikanage ati we are all anointed and we can do all things through Christ who strengthen us no tuhota gwika maundu mothe to tuliitiririe maguta
Gakunyito geni mwiroreri witu wa Sky Cable TV omothe tafarira-ini ya Wigitiri show na ni ngukorwo ngigutereba omothe ni njitagwo Wanjiko wa Njau na omothe twina mugeni mwega muno studio-ini reke twire maritwa make nigetha tukimenya haria tugukiambiriria
mwiroreri ni ndacokia ngatho ni undu muthenya ungi Ngai atuhete na ngauga ni wega ni undu waku we mwene ni undu wa guka nigetha twikaranie nawe kahinda gaka tuguthi na mbere na Wigitiri show na Chikonjao atatuambia topic and then nafikiri mwiroreri aria matanjui njitagwo Mercy Wambui ama Mercy PK counselor psychologist
Haya riu omothe topic ya omothe ni benefits of setting smart goals. Haya tukiambiriria na smart goals niki
okay kuringana na uguo mwaigua Chikonjao akisema kuhusu nini benefits of setting smart goals. First of all ni vizuri hata kujua hizi goals ni kama gani ama sio hivyo tuseme smart. What is smart? Yes. Setting smart goals. Okay. Tugigeria ku explore tumenye atiriri what are goals? Goals ni kiria ura aim. Tugiuga tena Gikuyu goals. What are goals?
Kiria uratanya.
Kiria uratanya. Yeah. Ni go set smart goals kana go set kana ko yani kuiga kuhaririria kiria uratanya. It's like a visional, not goals. There is a
Goals
difference.
niriri.
Ambition, what ambition re? Nikiria
Kira gusukuma.
ambition.
Eh.
But goals nikiria utanyite ati kiu no nginya wike. Ngwendaga twambiririe riri chiko. Uhoro wa kumenya okay. Smart iramaanisha atia. Todo smart andu meciraga is just kukua beautiful. I can also say it's being beautiful here.
Yeah.
Kwa akili. Lakini tunaweza hata elaborate in
another way.
Yeah, in another way. Na twambe to explore kana twambe tuthi na mbere na kuga atiriri ati smart S stands for you be specific. Gutwika yani kiria urenda
Ni uramenya
niki you be specific. Akorwo ni graph ino urenda ikorwo niyo. No ndukae kuga atiriri ni graph urenda ninge ucoke uge ni gikombe uracaria. Hau no ambe wateke mwerekera. You must be specific. Okay, I just want to elaborate this to elaborate this smart. The word smart. S, we've said that it's being specific. You be we utweke atikiria wauga gitweke nikio. Then there is this M. M stands for you be measurable. Ati utweke ni ukuhota guthima githimi. Githimi ni kuga you be being smart. S stands for specific. M stands for measurable. You be measurable. You be measurable. Ugerie kuhota kuona kana ni urahota guthima. Todo ndubataire go set goals. Goal ere small kana ikorwo too high that you cannot be able to attain or to achieve. So no ginya uthime githimo na ndubataire guthima kinini muno ati gia kiria urekite hau mbere. Ote gukorwo ugithima uthi ukihaicaga ngathi angikorwo kuri kaundu urekire uthime uri iguru wa hau no ndugagikire too high that you cannot be able to achieve.
Iko realistic.
Yeah. Na no tuthiite ni ndaigwa ni urenda ni tuthiite wega. Mwiroreri ni wega ugakoragwo ukimenya atiriri undu uri urenda gwika ri ni uthimite ukona ati ni ngwanjia haha na ndirenda gukinyia haha. You be measurable. Then A stands for attainable. You be attain. You attain what you can be attain. And that's why we are talking of being measurable. You measure what you'll be able to attain. You be specific. You said that I want this glass. Todo hede ndiragurite kindu gia plastic. I bought a plastic glass. Now I want to buy a glass that is ceramic or something else. But you must be able to measure. Will you be able to attain? Will you be able to achieve? To buy a ceramic glass. If you are able to buy, then continue with the wathimai. Then kuga ate no measure. You must attain. And A stands for you must be attainable. You can
the goal must be attainable.
Yeah, that goal must be attainable. You must attain. Ukiona ati umemesha kitu, umemesha ikue very high, that means you will not be able to attain. Now, if you attain, that means you umeset goal yenye umeweza. Na ukiona umeattain, then utatoka kwa ceramic uende kwa ingine. Kwa kitu yenye iko hapo juu. So you must be specific, you must be measurable, you must be attainable. The goal must be attainable. Then we go for
R.
For R.
Yeah.
We go for R. Mwiroreri haha hena R. Between A and T. Kuna R. You must be realistic. Lazima uwe realistic. Be real. Be you. Wacha tu kuangalia goal ya yule mwingine mwenye ameset na wewe umeanza kuset yake. Be you, be realistic, be real. Ukue wewe mwenyewe. Kwa sababu wakati umeanza kuangalia yule mwingine, unaona ati huyu amejenga nyumba ya ngorofa. Na mimi tu niko na nyumba ya matope. You must uende in stairs. Usiluke hata step hata moja. Kama umetoka ya matope, enda kwa bao. Jaribu ujenge ya bao. You be you. You be realistic so that you can be able to attain. Then after you umejenga ya mbao, then uende ya mawe. Don't go to gorofa. It's like jumping some steps, and when you jump some steps,
uende university.
Yeah, it's like jumping from nursery school to university. That cannot be attained. So you must be realistic. Be real. And useme, now, because I have a matope house, let me just go for Tiba house. Then after Tiba house, you set another goal. You go to iya mawe. Ukienda ya mawe, after kutoka ya mawe, then go to iyo golo flat. But don't jump from matope, unaenda mpaka mawe. And that's why you see some of the people, they are unable to attain what they want, or they are unable to achieve their goals. So for you to achieve your goal, you must set the goal, and you be specific. Then you specify. You say what you want, and then you be measurable. You should know what you are measuring and what to attain. Then you attain. Then after that, kuattain ile kitu umechukua uko nayo, then you start. You be real. You be you. Don't jump for you to achieve. Then tuende kwa T. T stands for time board. Lazima ujue masaa. You set time. Ukiset time useme, mimi nataka nyumba ya gorofa. Then you be able to measure. Then you be able to attain. Then you be able to, you should be real. You be you.
You be realistic.
Then after being you, being realistic, you be real. Then after that, you set time. Useme from January to December, I'll be able to attain what I want. And that's why mwiroreri tugire niwega for us today we teach ourselves twithomithie kumenya niki turenda na kiu turenda ri, can we be able to attain? Na kiu turenda ri, can we be able to achieve? For us to achieve smart goals, we must be smart here. Yes.
For example, angĩkorwo nĩ nyũmba ndĩrenda gwaka, ngamba specify ndĩrenda nyũmba ya mahiga. Aya, measurable, naangalia the type I want. Kama ni mansionette, kama ni nini, hivyo alafu naangalia is it attainable? With this specific time nataka kuweka, is it attainable? Dauma how dona ni attainable ugakorwo realistic.
Yes.
Hii Kenya nataka kufanya, yenyewe ina make sense.
Kulingana
na
let
mimi
me just be real.
Position yenye niko sahi ina make sense. After ugasoka gaseti time. Kama ni short term goal, kama ni long term goal.
Yeah, it's like that. Na hata ni vizuri kwanza that's why I'm talking of being real. Kwa sababu watu wengine they set a very high goal yenye hawataweza achieve. Na wakati wameset wanaanzaga hata kukopa. Unastahili set yenye unajua kabisa ati wewe you'll be able to achieve. isiwe ati utasubua hata neighbor. Unajua kusubua neighbor sio kusema ati kuenda kwa huyo neighbor. Isiwe ati wewe mwenyewe unaanza kusubua huyo mtu mwingine ati aanze kukusaidia. It's because wewe hukuset vizuri, ukue realistic, ukue lile.
Uangalie na position yenye wewe uko.
Na position yenye uko, na when setting a smart goal, lazima ujue capacity yako ya uwezo iko aje. Iko aje. Ama wewe una set tu just goal na hujui kama utaweza, na hujui hata how to start and how to edit. Kwa sababu each and every time that we open the file, you must be able to close it. It's like when we go to the hospital, when you get admitted, your file must be opened. And there kutakuwa na siku ya kuifunga. Ni kama wewe ati uanze kufungua stories zako kwa watu. Wakati uchafungua, will you be able to close? And that's what I tell girls, that never ever open the door that you can not be able to close. So, okay, there is something you want to tell us?
Tuendelee kidogo.
Tuendelee. Okay, then I wanted us to learn more about goals. Goals zinatusaidiaje? Kuset smart goals zinatusaidia na nini? Kana ciratũteithia atia? Nĩitũmaga nĩihota gũtũteithia tũgĩe na target. Target nĩ kuga atia atĩ kĩrĩa ũĩmĩte, kĩrĩa ũratanya, tukahota gũset nginya target. Target to aim for something, nĩ tũteithagia ũndũ ũcio nĩ ũndũ ũmwe. Ati goals, tugiset goals, set goals ni kindu kia bata muno. Tondu ni tũteithagia ithuĩ kũhota gũtarget what we want.
Ukagĩa na nita itanya rĩa gũtũra.
Itanya.
Angĩkorwo nĩ kĩndũ ũrenda ũgatanya ũkamenya by the end of this month, hii month niko na purpose ya kenye nafanya.
Then goals can help us to concentrate on time and effort. And that's why I've talked of a time board. Lazima to set time, tujue hii goal yenye nimeset nitaanza lini na nitamalizia lini. So this the benefit of setting goals, it will help us to concentrate on time and the effort that we are going to make. True. Then kitu ingine, kuna kitu ingine, at goals can provide motivation, persistence and desire. Ati nituhayaga motivation neke hinya wa guthi na mbere na kiria tura desire kana kiria turenda kiria turerireria. Kwoguo goal, setting goals is very important. Na nĩ ũndũ wagĩrĩire muno muno muno. Ona angĩkorwo ũreka kaũndũ kahana atĩa, kana nĩkĩ ũrenda gwĩka, it's good to set goal first for you to be able to concentrate na nigetha tũhote concentrate na mathaa na concentrate na kĩrĩa turerireria. Then at goals can provide a roadmap to take you from where you are to where you want you to be. At a goal, nitutteithagia when we set goals, it help us to to provide a roadmap. What is roadmap? Roadmap ni kionereria gĩa kũrĩa tũmĩte na kũrĩa tũrathiĩ. So it's good to set goal nigetha ihote gũtũteithia yani na gũtũ-provide na roadmap kana map ya gũtuonia tũrathiĩ kũ kuma harĩa tũrĩ thaa ici. Then goal setting forces you to be specific on what you want to achieve. Ati goal iria tũsetagi Nĩ tũbocagi gũtuĩka specific kũgĩa na itanya rĩrĩa turenda niki urenda hasa and then sometimes ni tuheanaga story tugathi nginya na kuri Ngai mahoya-ini even going to God with prayers you must be specific tiga kwambiria kuhura githaka ira Ngai atiriri ndirenda kina be specific ni giki nikio ndirenda na ndikuma haha itari no tiga kumwira atiriri Ngai nduri wahe ngirathi Ngai ni ndirenda thani Ngai ni ire uthaburio na ndukuhe you must be specific kugo goals ni tuforcagi gukorwo ituri specific na gutuma to achieve kiria ithue twendaga
aya koguo tucoke thutha hanini kuma hau ha roadmap ndirenda kugura ngirathi ino nigetha ndimigure ri no maka nyambe giethe wira wethe kawira ukamenya wiki ino gusevu kibao wiki ino ingi gusevu kina ndakinyiria hau niho grow desire ya kugura kindu kingi riu to ni ndona nimekuwa once someone achieves whatever they want watu wengi wanakuanga excited sana sasa umeona
akiona ameachieve
whatever it is I wanted nimefikia so hapo hadi ndio utapata motivation pia ya kusema juu nimebuy hii glass next month nitabuy kitu fulani
okay and that's why mimi napenda sana wakati nasomecha nikiwa na mtu kama Chiko Njau kwa sababu saa zingine kusaidia let me talk like a counselor sometimes we advise psychologists they don't give advice but sometimes we give them advice when they come to us and waki request kuadvisiwa on what to do after retire we tell them about setting goals and that's why you are seeing that when you set goals you are able to be provided with the roadmap like you are saying and when you are provided with the load map ni ukorwo ukimenya atiriri ate nie for me to achieve I must work hard to achieve to get what I want to attain or to achieve lazima nifanye kazi nipate hii pesa to ndathie na ndeka window shopping na ndona atiriri ngirathie no ri ndone kimona and for me to attain or to get the glass I must go and work and so for me to get that glass to buy that glass and that's why you get that so many people they get stressed after they get that they are not able to attain or to achieve what they want it's because they don't set goals smart goals first asante sana kwa hiyo nini kuturudisha nyuma kidogo kuna kitu ingine ama tuendelee
sasa
kada kuri mwiroreri hihi uroria kiuria tondu onao rimwe no mori kiuria makienda riri makienda kumenya tondu tariu ndirathomithirio horo wa retire about retirement how you prepare for retirement thiko irio thiaga thiguku irio thiaga rutha rwaku annual leave you must start exercising what do you do after retire ria we rutha
aya he mundu urauga atiriri umuthi ni akena muno juu amejua goals to goals tu kuna difference ya goals na sasa kuna hii smart goals yenye amejua leo
kuna goal na smart goal and that's why I started with elaborating about smart being smart ukisikia mtu amekwambia you be smart here ni vizuri mtu ajue anaambiwa nini unaweza fikiria ati unaambiwa ukuwe smart like venye uko nini outward nini the physical whatever lakini ukiambiwa be smart here lazima uwe specific lazima uwe measurable lazima uwe attainable you be realistic na uset goal ya time Yes. Kuna mwingine anauliza swali?
Saa hii sioni tuendelee, wanaendelea tu kutuma maswali bado.
Kunaye anauliza hapa, ni wega twimenye uria turenda muturire-ini niguo damshi. Na agacoka kauga atiriri, na nigetha mundu emenye abatie gwika atia. Go for counseling. Or you seek advice from watu wenye wachafanya hapo mbele. Kwa sababu sio lazima uende kwa counselor. You can seek even advice kwa wale wenye ile kitu unataka kuattain ama ile kitu unataka kuachieve. Mwenye ameuliza hiyo swali, ati nigetha tuimenye tungika atia. Kana nigetha tuhote kuattain kila turenda ri tungika atia. Aikoni urenda ngirathi ino ni urokire kwa kora mikora ri. Uka kwa ujuri ndekirite nigetha ndimigie. It's also one way of setting goals, na ni uko andi hari urasetira goal. Dikana kuri mundu ungi urakiuria?
Haha he mundu uroria atiriri. Mimi nilikuwa nimeset goal but nikashindwa kuattain. Lakini sasa nimekufa roho. Saa hii naweza fanya nini ndio nirudishe ile motisha yenye nilikuwa nayo?
Okay. Go back to the drawing board. Set goals again. And you be specific. It's because asetile goals iri iguru kumukira. And that's why he never achieved.
Labda Kenya aliset haikuwa
realistic. Aliset hakuwa realistic. And maybe hakuwa na mtu wa kumuguide how to do it. Because, okay, even when setting goals, it's also good to seek advice kuma kuri aria mari iguru riaku. Yes. Gwiciria mwiroreri ucio woria kiuria kiu kana no ngitondu ni oriria andu aingi. Ni wega muno kumenya atire when setting goals, smart goal, not only sio tu goal. Lazima ikuwe smart goal. And you elaborate this word smart. Umenye ati stand for specific. You be specific. Kiri urenda you target hiyo. Wacha kuruka kando na kando. Ati unaona sufuria ndio ulikuwa unataka na ulikuwa unataka glass. Ati unaona sasa wacha ninunue kikombe. Ni kama umedeviate ile kitu ulikuwa unataka.
Sasa hadi
pesa umepeleka kwingine. And that's why sometimes we fail to achieve. Na huyo mwenye haku attain arudi kwa drawing board, aset goals tena. Ili aweze kujua ni wapi niliangukia. Pesa yangu yenye nilitaka kupeleka pale, nilipeleka kwingine. Ama ni mimi sikufanya hesabu ya hiyo pesa. Kwa sababu pengine hata hakufanya hesabu, akafanya hesabu kidogo kwa kuliko ile goal alikuwa set. Yes.
Haya haha ni ndona kingi kiingira kiroria atiriri niki ungiuga ni smart goals tariu ni twakorwo tukiririria horo wa waki wa nyumba mwaka uyu ri ni ndirenda guthie vacation. Is that a wise and smart goal?
Yeah, it's also a wise and smart goal. Lakini you must set that goal. Kama unataka kuenda vacation, anaenda vacation ya nilifa naenda ili aende vacation bahari ama ni
kulingana na venye umeuliza sidhani ni live. I think ni venye mtu tu anasemanga labda December nataka kwenda coast hivyo.
Lazima aset goal. Ajue kama mimi nataka kwenda coast. Okay, akienda vacation lazima ajue ina cost. Kuna pesa. Ajue kama anaenda na ndege ama anaenda na SGR ama anaenda na bus. Na ajue the cost ya kwenda na ndege ni gapi. Sasa hiyo ndio anastahili kufanya hiyo hesabu. Ajue cost ya kwenda na SGR ni gapi, ajue ya kwenda na bus ni gapi. Ajue which one is easier. Kama akona pesa ya kutosha, kama ni ndege anataka kwenda nayo aende nayo. Kama anataka kwenda na SGR aende nayo. Kama akona gari yake aweke mafuta aende nayo. Alafu ni vizuri bado kujua where specific career is she or he going? Anaenda kwa hoteli gani? Anataka kuenda kwa hoteli ya juu ama ya chini? Na mfuko yake inamkubalisha. Akuwe smart hapa. Yes.
That's interesting.
Na ni vizuri bado kama unataka kuenda vacation. Don't change. Be real. Be you. Na usiende vacation kwa sababu ya kuona wale wengine wanaendanga. So you must set goal first, and you be you. Don't be somebody else. Yes.
Koguo aria marenda kuthie vacation December mambie thaici.
Majie thaici ona no ige kanyamu kanini ati gwikinya December nini gakorwo na kagina kaiganona nigetha hote ona no ukitire nginya mundu ungi kana ona uge ni gwenda ku surprise mundu. Yes. And that's why you see some of the no amenya atumia ni mendete gutwarwo out muno. And I don't know why they think that them alone at ndio tu anaweza kupelekwa. Okay, it's only the other day that I was teaching people about a Valentine. Valentine is not a nini. It's not a Mother's Day or a Women's Day. True. It's for everyone. It's for the girls, it's for the boys, it's for the women, it's for the men. For everyone. So you ladies don't expect from men. You can also surprise men. Hey.
True.
They go Mari conference.
Dere radira.
Igathira mweri 28. Igathira mweri 28. Na mugithie ko umuthie mukimenyaga niki muroka go surprise men nakio. Timoke na katiba mpya. Otherwise niko nataka kusema Valentine ni ya kila mtu. Kwa hivyo hata kama unataka kwenda vacation ni vizuri ujue if you are a lady it's not a must ati uwe tu niwe utageta ni supplies. You can even surprise him. Nigetha mutoriri othie uri balanced. Mwena umwe koguaga uri ongi naguo gathi iguru mutoriri ni kubatara ku balance wo. Na jeno ona ino koni ura surprise re mundu kana ura surprise wo ini kanduwe
hau muno.
Can we continue?
Yes.
Nikwendaga turore atiriri ati factors iria ihindagi kana iria factors that hinder the attainment of goals. Okay, there are a number of factors that can prevent you from achieving your goal. Kana gwenda kuga atia kuri maundu maingi mangituma we wage ku achieve kiria urenda. Na wabere tugire uhoro wa gukorwo uri smart here, and that's why I want to gwenda guthi na mbere na maundu maria matumaga twage ku attain goals citu kana twage ku achieve goals citu. First of all, poorly defined goals. Ugiaga ko define goal ya kwega. Ko define ni ko wikaria
Ni guthathaura.
Guthathaura niki urenda. Ugiaga ko torere tugire uhoro wa glass teno. Example ya glass ni otuheanire nayo. Tuga atiriri no nginya umenye kiria urenda. No ngiaga kumenya kiria urenda. No we ni urenda ati ku attain kindu ndugi attain. Undu wa keri kuri undu ungi naguo urehage thina. Ati too large or too small goals, like I said, ungi set goal kanini muno kana uge ni urekire degree ya kindu na you never set goal ureciria atiriri ni nguthi gwika masters kana urekire ni tuge urekire certificate because some of the diplomas you go straight to masters. Agikorwo wina degree igi agikorwo na degree igi na wina diploma ati urugage ugathiaga gwika PhD kana urugage ugathie gwika masters na you never did degree kana nduri have na degree yaku no nginya ukorwo na degree nigetha uthi wike masters, not a must ati ukorwo na degree ya kindu kiu. Some of the diplomas like a national higher diploma can take you straight to masters. But you must be specific. Tondu wahota kuruma ngima nene gukira kiria ungihota kumeria kana ona kanu gaku karemo ni gutanuka. So ni wega ati ndugagiseti ka goal kanini muno kana wikite ni weka masters no kauga ni guthi gwika geke diga kuga horo wa githomo tondu ni mauga maga masters na magathi magika certificate karoni no kamateithie niguo. Reke tuge atiriri ni okite nyumba ya gorofa no urenda riu wa set goal iria ingikugwakira kanyumba kabau kana ingikira kanyumba ka bau
iyo nakumieria ndihana
ukarora gatiriri ukonaga atiriri ati fiyo we urendaga kindu kinena nene gukira no ura set the goal itakwagirire nduri onaga ugithina mbere no ucokori cokaga na thutha. You must set a standard goal. Iria we mwene uramenya atiriri I'll be able to attain na sitarudi nyuma. Tondu bataire wakorwo na degree ukorwo ni guthie masters etiguo kana uthie degree ingi ya kindu kingi. So ni wega kumenya ati ti wega go set goal iri iguru muno na ti wega go set goal iri muno. Yes.
Taike muhe kindu kingira haha na ni interesting muno. He mundu rori atiriri ni ndihota ku define goals na ni he handu ndiraiguire mundu akiuga atiriri ungihota kwaria kindu kana wandike kindu completely uria kihana kana uria uraigua ni guguteithia kumenya kiria urenda. Is it true or is it applicable when setting goals?
Ati ungigeria ni ngurorete handu ati ungigeria kwandika kiria urenda
tuge right now I am going through emotions.
Yeah.
Let's say I am sad. But I am not able to write down why I am sad. So if in a position yenye nitaweza kuandika down, this is what is making me sad and this and this and this, will it help me better clearly define my goals?
It will. It will. Todo maita maingi also writing what you are going through, writing down is also a therapy. Todo wahota ukorwo uri sad no thiwe hingire handu, you take a pen and a notebook, you write what you are going through. It's also a therapy. Na wandika ni wonaga ni wahuthirwo hanini na you'll be able to set those goals. Na kuri andu maugaga ati acio marauga matihotaga kuelaborate kana ku define goal
kiria urenda muno.
Okay.
Wo specify ukauga atiri giki nikio ndirenda reke.
There must be something that is going on in you. You must be having a stress or kitakivuguo. Ugena mundu utarahota ku define goals yake. Ni abataire kugatha kiria therapy kuma kuri mundu ungi, kuri mundu professional from professional nini. Na gwenda kuga ta ucio urare muritie ni andu aingi muno imagine mare mago nikume marigagwo ni marenda ki. They don't know what they want. Urona mundu nginya ni akinyira ikara no nginya hakorwo kuri kindu kirathie thiini wake kira kirahinda we mwene uthi na mbere. Totari umuthi uyu ri ugikorwo we sad no gikorwo rege ni ura grief, you are grieving. You know grieving ni twarie hindi ingi haha na Kinsey. Na tukiaria uhoro wa ku grieve ri to nginya ukorwo ura grieve ni tondu ni ureirwo ni mundu. No grieve ni tondu maybe you are sad, maybe kuri mundu rigi muhitanitie handu no gakorwo we sad. Na ria we sad nginya ugakorwo ati nginya meciria maku matirahota nginya gwiciria kiria we mwene urenda. No uteithirio ona kuria marema gukinya ni kwaria. Na ria marema ni kwaria ri aiko ni waremo ni guthi kwi mundu kumuria ri kana ni waremo ni guthi kwi mundu nigetha aguteithie. Be your own therapist. Go write down all what you want. Ugakira ugeciria niki ndirenda no kandika hau na undu utarahota guthi na mbere ukandika uri utarahota guthi na mbere then you can share with someone uria ura trust tondu ti andu aingi tu trustaga ti andu othe tuheaga mathina maitu maria turathi namo na mbere sometimes really kwanza gwika counseling kira ria gwika counseling ni njuragia ni mundu atiriri ni kuri mundu ungi mwaritie uhoro uyu tondu aikorwo ni undu urabatara confidentiality sometimes I take time tondu aikorwo ni muciite na mundu ni nyamba kumenya mundu ucio muciite nake ri agiga thiri atia tondu hindi iria mundu aruta thiri yaku ni uthire for therapy for counseling therapy na wakora mundu ucio ni akumia nja kana waigua ndeto ciaku na hau uguo nja ni utendagi gukorwo we more stressed even than before. And that's why I always tell my fellow counselors, never ever open the wood that, and leave it bleeding. Totally udigio kana menya dikota guguteithia. I better even excuse myself from you. Tari udigio katinyambiririe gugika counseling. No korwo ni urathite kwi mundu ungi ringi urakora ucio ndana guteithia ni wathii hari ungi ni wego nae wirore wone ni ndina thina kana ni ari athiite kuri mena thina aikoni mena thina aikoni kana ni wathii handu aigua ndeto ciaku na ni uramenya no mundu mwe tu wirite ni ubatare ugithi gwi counselor ungi uri urathi umwire ni ndiraigua ndeto ciakwa nja na ndiraigua uru muno to ndirathire kwi mundu umwe na ndiramenya ni wewe ikite atia to nginya ngugwete ritwa nigetha counselor nake akuria atiriri mumenya haria mukwambiriria to nginya uhoro ucio wa kuigua ndeto ciaku nja ni ubataire bado kwaria muteithio naguo
koguo ungihota kwandika kiria urenda it will help you define your goals better.
Yes na also no wega first of all to build self esteem yaku no mundu uri uramenya ati fiu ni agukuhe okay positive maundu positive wamwira mari uragerera na ndagukuruta nja na ni akuiga thiri ni wega ono mwire atiriri ni mago nginya ni kwi define ni mwire ni ona ndiwe ndiki ona ndiwe ndeu ona ndiwe niiri ni ona ndiwe talent yakwa so sometimes niturigagwo na sometimes we run our talents through feedback totally no gwira atiriri chiko kamisa chiko kamisa na kumisa okay chiko njao unajua unaweza fanya hivi na hivi na hivi chiko ule ndirakuonire no wike wega hana na hana no haha weka x kidogo ndiko ndi mundu genuine gwire oguo ni uguteithika na kana bingi ukanyone atiriri na ga self esteem kau ni kanini na gwire na ujihoke ati gwire gwire first of all let us build your self esteem na no amenya self esteem nego ithagio ginya ni andu self esteem no amenya nego ithagio ginya na matimenyaga
kwa hivyo self esteem can be built.
Yes kwanza wabagira na wewe mwene kwimenya ujielewe wewe mwenyewe uone what to kuangusha na what to kuchukua uone tare ndeto ici ndiraheo ni mundu ri ni njagirirwo ni gucithikiriria kana ni njagirirwo kwaga guthikiriria tondu kindu kiria kiramenya uramenya fiu ni gikukurehera thina better even leave it ndukanende guthikiriria ona no urie mundu atiriri no wiki ati no ujire ogweho ndeto icio cia kwararagia ri eho no ujire imagine ndagakwira ringi otherwise tuthi na mbere kana kwina kiuria kingi
asa tobe tuthie na mbere
kiria muno gitumaga turamone go set goals ka twa set goal tukaga ku achieve undu ungi wa gatatu ndikane wa gatatu tukwarage kana ni wa gatatu ni lack of commitment we ukaga gwi commit kana ukaga ni kwirutira commitment ni kwirutira
commitment nĩ rĩrĩ ũngĩdefine atĩa na Gĩkũyũ?
Nĩ gũchikiria mboka ama nĩ kũnyitĩrĩra?
Kukosa kuwa dedicated kwa kitu. Nĩ irarega gũka na
commitment.
Gĩkũyũ.
Dedicated. Commitment, I think it's even easier than dedicated. Dedicated.
Commitment nĩ irarega gũka na Gĩkũyũ.
Commitment, gwĩciria
No
nĩ
nĩ
gũkorwo
kwĩheana.
kwĩrutĩra.
Kwĩheana.
Kwĩheana. Atĩ niĩ nĩ ndoiga atĩ ngwĩka ũũ. You be committed. Na kĩrĩa gĩothe ũracaria, ũcari wako nĩ ta mbia.
Ciothe.
Wĩkĩre hau nĩgetha ũhote gwĩka atĩa? Ku achieve. Ningĩ ũndũ ũngĩ, na nĩguo twagaga andũ aingĩ, lack of discipline. Lack of discipline. Kwaga kwĩdiscipline. Okay. Ndikwenda kuga niĩ kana mũndũ ũngĩ. Kũrĩ andũ angĩ maugaga atĩ maraset goal cia gũpunguza weight. But they tend to lack discipline. Ũkonaga mũndũ ndarahota kwa achieve. Ũgathiĩ ũkauga ndikũrĩa lunch. No magana na kũu ma junks marĩa mothe ũrarĩa, I'm telling you marakuongerera weight. Ũkorwo ũrarĩ na 85 kilograms. Ũgĩthiĩ gũthima ũgakorwo na 95. Wongerera. No kwendaga kũnyihia ĩ. Koguo rĩ, nĩ wega we be disciplined. Tukamenyaga atĩ ũrĩa tũrauga rĩ, nĩkĩ nĩ tũrahota gũkorwo twĩ committed nĩgetha tũhote kweheria kana kũhote gwĩka ũrĩa tũrauga.
Na hau ha discipline he kĩngĩ kĩingĩroro rĩu. Mũndũ angĩhota atĩa ku build discipline nature yake?
Discipline nature yaku nĩ ũbataire gũkorwo ũkĩririkania maita maingĩ. Ndaugire ndigwĩka na ndigwĩka. Ta rĩu rĩ, so many people ndikwendaga kũgweta mũno nĩ ngũgweta. Andũ aingĩ arĩa mambagĩrĩria masturbation nĩ maremagwo nĩ gũtiga. Na mageragia mũno gũtiga.
Na mekũremwo nĩ.
You know, okay, when I teach people about sex, I always talk of masturbation. And we must listen and listen carefully. When you start masturbation, you'll not be able to stop. And if you want to stop, you better be disciplined. Totally, you know masturbation is sweet. Korea matahotaga ku achieve sex. Aingĩ wonaga magĩthiĩ ku masturbate. Nĩ tondũ rĩngĩ ndaku-expectaga ũguo, no nĩ onawe ndanakinyio harĩa akinyagio, ũnokona nĩ ekatea. Okay, rĩu tũraria tũhana tarĩ gũteithia tũrateithia. We be a bit serious. Tondũ so many people nĩ moreire kũu. Nginya ũkonaga mũciĩ wĩna mũthuri na mũtumia, ũkonaga mũndũ ũmwe nĩ areia na agathiĩ gwĩka tũmaũndũ tũrĩkũ, tũmaũndũ kũu akĩenda tu kwĩrelieve. Nĩ tondũ ona nĩ amenyerire rĩ, ona thikũ have sex ndarahota. So no nginya ũkorwo ũrĩ disciplined. Wakorwo nĩ ũkwenda ku-attain kĩrĩa ũrenda. Akorwo nĩ weight ũrenda kũnyihia, you must be disciplined na mĩrĩre. Ũkamenya atĩ nyamũ tũtũ ndĩrarĩa tũnini ma junks icio nĩcio igũtũma ona wongerere weight. Na ciongerera weight, imagine no ũrĩigua ngoro yaku yeka atĩa? Yathiĩ thĩ. Na yathiĩ thĩ ũkarigwo atĩ ona ũrathiĩ counseling wĩka atĩa? But it's because you are not disciplined. Then tũthiĩ hau hangĩ, lack of persistence. Yani kufuatilia. No nginya ũbuatĩrĩrie maũndũ maya. Ũkorwo ũkĩmenya atĩrĩrĩ, niĩ nĩ ndĩrenda na nda target ngũbuatĩrĩria nginya nginye. No tũrĩa wonaga andũ makĩhoya atĩ tarĩ arona kĩrĩa arenda, ndarĩtiga gũturia maru. Kaba maconoke na nĩgetha Ngai anjigue. No wega rĩmwe nĩ tũgĩgataga Bible. You know, counseling goes together with the Bible. Kwenda kuga atĩrĩrĩ, ona rĩrĩa ũkũhoya Ngai, ugaga atĩrĩrĩ, na wendi wa Ngai ũkahinga. tondu ahota gugituria maru na akorwo gutigo Ngai arenda na Ngai ahota gukuhingiria uria urenda akorwo akwenda gwika undu munene itigo ni kuoguo ri kubuatirira maundu maya ni kwagiriire undu ungi uri ho unsupportive environment environment iri ori kana ona kuugwa kumucie ukona ndra support wo you can set a goal of reducing weight and you tell your people that you know what I want to reduce weight because I just want to be healthy because my doctor told me to reduce weight for me to heal for you to attain that goal even your people can help you to attain that goal they can also help you to makwire chiko tiga kuria ici ni gukuongerera weight no redwo nyihie weight ni tutige ni turutagire ithuothe twambirie kunyua ndubia twambirie kunyua chai ndubia nigetha ithuothe tumuteithie gwika atia environment iri yori ukorwo uri ni ura support wo ni amwinao aikone muthuri na mutumia ni makwendaga ku build a house it's also good to help each other or to support each other na ria mura support na ri muthuri kana mutumia no ateithiririo na kuga tiriri ukwendaga gwakaga korofa wina mbeca cigana nego kuongerera kina yani uga support kana no uga support uka motivate na kuongereshwa continue
unafanya vizuri
unafanya vizuri na ndirona ni ugukinya waigua nguo na boge katea ugathi na mbere mafundi ni ndiriri haga ona ni gude akaigua ni kuri mundu uramu support and I think unless there is some questions gwiciria tungikinyia hau ni undu wa rucio gwiciria ni wega haiko hena maswali tondu you also help us to help you ni mututeithagia kumuteithia ati ungionjoria kiuria no hote gwika atia
kumuteithia he kiuria kingira haha kiroria how do someone deal with condescending and stereotypical people
ni wega mutu elaboratire kiuniki ucio ni mundu wigi thungu muno na nginya nare turaria nao ri ta elaborate hanini ciko
haya gwiciria stereotypical people ni andu aria unaona kama venye watu wanasemanga ukikorwo
stereotype
go classify andu ingi with one definition for example no usemania na muiritu wasemania nake na hau fara yeye ako kwa raha zake labda amevaa ka dress kafupi lakini wewe unajua watu wenye wanavanga dress fupi they are prostitutes that is being a stereotype because you have classified her under a name yeye hayuko hapo
imagine hata unapata mtu mwingine pengine mama kama mimi nimevaa trouser umeanza kusema hata yana counselor
aje
counselor kona kangu kafupi okay
hiyo utadili na watu kama hao aje utadili na watu kama hao aje ukiset goals zako mtu mwenye anakuja na kuclassify na kurudisha chini unajua mtu akikudefine kitu hauko aje utafeel umerudi chini how do you deal with such people
okay those people you should not listen to them acha nikwambie chiko hata nikikuja nikitaka kukuweka chini nitakuja nikwambie ndio amenya thomaka news uru we nawe ni uramenya ni thomaka wega agikoro we ni mwene ni uraigwa ni thomaka wega continue ni ndibataire gukinyira karigi ni ona goria ng'ombe ikoragwo yohetwo guo handu hamwe igathiurukwo hau kana ona tutige kuga ng'ombe ati wothiete na ni ukorwo gwaku ni wohererio karigi ugathie ukaigwa tik wacokio na thutha ni wacokio na thutha ni wega andu memenye kwimenya at let them say but me let me continue with my goals totally uri ono cio okuga ringi ima example akuga te ni counselor na gakukaria kirite yes for me as a counselor I'm supposed to dress well but lakini tufataire gutwira mundu You know, everybody is unique. Everybody is unique. I can't be like you. You can't be like me. And also, it's also good to learn that you can't be like
the other person.
The other person. No, kiria edete iko edete guoda ihu. Then we kiria wedete guoke. Guhi. Na fataira go respect. Ogwo oha. Ogwo hana. As long as tuturorania. Atakorwo ate negwenda gukwira na gakuka uguchagucia kana igirira gacuka kana guteithie ngo yaku ni thuku na thutha ogwo maundu macio mangi ni personal. Tiga guthikagiriria kiria negative maundu negative kuri andu nigetha kou no ngithio naguo tondu kuri andu tangigarura. Because even the temperaments kana behaviors cito are not the same.
Aya twĩ na less than 5 minutes. Ekiuria kingi kingira haha kiroria atiriri, how can I keep track if I am making the right decision towards setting my smart goals?
How can you
keep track?
Keep track.
Umenye
Ko ate right way. You are in the right way. Ungiona ati ni wambiriria. Ugienda kuona ati kana we njira ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire. Thiĩ na mbere ukiroraga ona wa set goals ciaku. Ona ikokore kindu urenda gwika. Wathi ukiroraga nyanage haria nginyite ri. Huthirika kindu kigana. Nyanage haria nginyite ri. Mufete forward andu haigana atia. For you to make you move forward there. Taruri, no borwa atiriri. To be in the right track, or a set necessary goals ya kuweka. Na no me set goals ne kugate. You prepare yourself. Prepare yourself. Todo ngine makaga nyumba, makabagwa kiradi. Makagura mahia, makagura mboga, makagura mishuma, makagura kebyo. Na magura icio ri. Then wambiriria ri ukamenya ati ndukire ndeta bino kiaku no wakinya hau ri nikumenya you are in the right track. Ukaroraga na thutha haria unyite no karoraga kiria utumirite aikombe wekite mathabu irio tumirite no cio wekite mathabu ukamenya you are in the right track. Yes.
Aya ndore hahe kiria kigira no rore nawe kana we nacio nikiamba kura thikirore. Haya koguo riria ora set goals no maka ukorwo ukimenya exactly kiria urenda, time bound, ugakorwo ni attainable goal, igakorwo it's an achievable goal. Haya, how about for people who maybe overestimate themselves or underestimate themselves? Now as a counselor, how will you advise mtu mwenye anasemanga mimi mwaka nataka kununua gari, but deep down unajua hai make sense kwangu? Unaweza advise mtu kama huyo aje ndio atoke kwa hizo unrealistic goals, anze sasa kuwa realistic,
ajielewe kwanza. Na kiona ati ameset goal ya kununua gari na hana hata hiyo pesa, hana juu hata kwenye atatoa, awachane nayo. Before you start anything, know that you have everything that you need.
Sawa.
Tondu ugikinya gatagati ugwikora mbeca iria nacio ni ciathira na ndurikitie no na ni ciorira. Tondu uteaga all the more and you get stressed all the more.
Haya, remember there is a technical hitch. Sasa nataka tufunge show utore haria ungionekana na social media platforms yako.
Okay. First of all, mwira already jitawo Omasi, PK, na I am a counselor psychologist. Na maita maingi ona no ugore kwa Sky Cable TV Kenya na namba ciakwa cia na kundu kuingi nithia kundu kuingi. So it's also good to give you my number. No kuga na Gikuyu.
Ni sawa.
07
kifugu mugwanja
20
igire kifugu
90
kenda kifugu
88
inyanya
64.
ithathatũ inya.
Thank you.
Tucokere rĩngĩ namba ĩyo
0720
kifugu mugwanja igire kifugu
908
kenda kifugu inyanya
864 inyanya ithathatũ inya.
Aya thengi muno Councillor Masi, nitwakenera muno gukorwo nawe muthenya wa umuthi. na niĩ ngũgũterebaga tabarĩra ya ũmũthĩ njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Njaũ nginya rĩrĩa cikũrĩkia kwĩhanda thaa 7 cia mĩaraho. Ngai kwendithĩria mũthenya mwega.